little bird. Are you seeing him clearly? He's actually happy. He's actually hopping on one foot. Oh my gracious. I was so surprised when I saw him a while ago. And he's doing quite a good job too. I'm going to see if I can get a little closer. There he is, hopping on one leg. You let the little bird fly away. He was hopping on one foot. That's why I was videotaping him and you let him fly away. Anyway, don't worry. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah. So. All right. Okay.